Hey grade 3, welcome back with lesson number 3. Here's Najma Khan, your English teacher, and as you all know that in the previous lecture we have already started unit number 1, Meet the Family, and today we are going to learn about Sandra Bates' family. We are going to read a paragraph which will tell us all about Sandra Bates' family. Here is the paragraph which is taken from your book page number 5. You can also read it by yourself from the book. Let me read it for you. We live in Aston. It's in the middle of England. My mother's name is Judy and my father's name is Ed. My mother is a doctor. She works at a hospital in Aston. She looks after sick children. My father is a reporter. He works in a newspaper. He writes reports for the newspapers. He travels a lot. I'm 8, my brother Dan is 10, and my sister Emma is 6. I have an e-ball in Karachi. Her name is Sarah Perky. Do you remember the meaning of e-ball? Yes, it's a pen friend. Look at this. What is this? This is a family tree of Sandra Bates. It is telling us about Sandra Bates' family. It consists of 5 members: father, mother, father Ed, who is a reporter, mother Judy, who is a doctor, and the 3 children, Dan, Emma, and Sandra. Dan and Emma both are the siblings of Sandra. Dan is elder than Sandra, and Emma is younger than Sandra. Dan is 10 years old, Emma is 6 years old, and Sandra is 8 years old. The family trees gives us a quick view of a family. Students, this is a very little assessment of your learning, that what you have learned from the text which we read earlier. Here are 8 questions given for your assessment, and the first question is, where does Sandra live? Do you remember? Yes, very well done. She lives in Aston in the middle of England. What's her father's name? This is the next question for you. Remember? Well done. Her father's name is Ed. Yes, this is the way you are going to answer all the other questions by yourself at your home. This is your practice. Let's move towards your assignment. As you have learned or seen the family tree of Sandra Bates, now it's time for you to make a family tree of your own family. Along with that, you are going to write a paragraph about your family to describe it. You can add the ideas like, where do you live? How many family members are in your family? What are their ages? What do they do? And any other thing that would you like to share with me. And after completing it, share your assignment with me on this given email address. Thank you so much. See you with the next lecture.